I was recently told that there are 9,88,000 words that are there in English dictionary. While all the 9,88,000 words have relevance in the dictionary and they all have a rightfully equal place in the dictionary, there are a few words which actually dominate and make their presence felt and say that while I exist with many other words, I am not the same. And that is how the world divides a few words from the other words as such. Winner and runner. These words coexist in the dictionary, but they are not the same. First and second, they coexist in the dictionary, but they are not the same. Champions and rest, they coexist in the dictionary, but they are not the same. As a person who has been associated with the commercial part of business for over 30 years, I know what is the difference between an achiever and a non-achiever. 99.9 and 100 are almost very close to each other, but they are not the same. There is a wall in between a 99.9 and 100. These are two different worlds. While a word can just be a word, but it can create a world. And one such word that we encountered very recently in this year is a word called breakthrough. If this word has to be given some kind of an adjective, of some kind of a meaning, I would say when the whole world was going through something which probably was not to be discussed in detail, there is one person who decided to actually bring in this word and purpose to this word and meaning to this word and make sure that there are so many people in this world, almost 500,000 people already, who understood what is the value of this word called breakthrough. And today, I'm feeling so honored and privileged to be addressing almost 25,000 people with a diverse background. And there are people who are 11 years of age, and there are people who are 21 years of age, and there are people who are parents here, and there are teachers, and there are principal heads of institutions, and there are people who are representing some dynamic and world-class institutions like NSN, JRK Group, Transcend Group, Sri Natation Group, Shands Academy, and many more, and 25,000 people from 11 different cities and many more. So I think it's the rarest of rare privileges for me to be addressing these people who already have defined something, and this word of breakthrough is going to create a completely different world for you. And with great pride, honor, and privilege, I would like to welcome you all to this program called Breakthrough Education Model. And at this point of time, I would like to introduce somebody whom I really admire so much. And she always keeps telling me that I should not speak more about her, but I cannot. Every time I open to introduce her, and I had the opportunity of introducing her at least on 5-6 occasions so far, how much ever I tried, I could not resist speaking about for her for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And she wants me to introduce her in 45 seconds. Trust me, her name itself will take 45 seconds for me to, if I have to really introduce her. And that's the kind of profile she carries. Somebody who's a gift to the world. In the words of our Guru Mahatria, her writings can not only touch the heart of the person, it can touch the mind and the soul of the person as well. And she has been an enigma, I should say, to this world. Somebody who never thought that she can write. But at the tender age of 23, wrote some sensational things in a book and then became a winner. And then thereafter, she went on to write many books. And finally, this year, with this book called Breakthrough, she decided to bring the lives of 11 people who coexist like how other words exist in the dictionary, and brought out to show that these people have a very different world called the world of breakthroughs. And they are the breakthrough believers, and she brought to light these people as to how they live as if we are equal, as if they are amongst us, but yet they live a completely different life. And she's somebody who took, with her conviction, a resolve to launch this book at any cost, irrespective of what situation is prevailing in this world. Against all odds, she said that I will launch the book on the 15th of August. And people say that when you have so much of conviction, God has to yield. And while we would have probably had a few hundred people participating in the launch, if that was a real launch or a public launch, we had a virtual launch attended by almost 500,000 people. And that is a testimony, or just one testimony of her conviction and what she can actually bring to this world. And it's a privilege. I'm sure you're all gifted to have somebody like her living with us to show the world that it is possible for us to coexist but still create a different world for ourselves. Let's get to hear from Megha Bajaj.
Thank you so much, Sridhar. As always, I get a little spellbound by the way you introduce. And just to let you know that Sridhar Ranganathan, he is the CEO of a company who's joined this entire mission of ours just to make a difference to millions of lives. So a very warm welcome. And I would like to begin today's session with a small story that really impacted me when I was a student, which wasn't many years ago. So I was told once that there was a beggar sitting outside a temple, and he was sitting on a small suitcase, and every day he would just sit on that suitcase and keep begging. One wise man used to walk past and go to the temple every day, and whenever he would see this beggar, he would tell the beggar, "Why are you begging? All the treasures you could ever ask for are with you." And the beggar used to look at this man and say, "He knows nothing. He knows nothing at all. What treasure? I have nothing. I don't even have food to eat." And every day this would go on repeating. And he's sitting on this suitcase and begging away. Every time that the old wise man would pass, he would say, "You have no clue. You have all the treasures. You don't need to beg." And one of those days, it so happened that the beggar decided that, what is this man saying so much? Let me at least do something and let me think over it. So he just removed the suitcase from under him and he was sitting. Suddenly he's like, "Okay, this suitcase, I found it somewhere. I never even bothered opening it. Let me open and see what is in it." And he opened it and he realized that it had the most precious gems. Now, this story is just a metaphor to say that everything that we keep looking for, begging for, wanting in the world outside is actually right within us. And all we need to do is step out, look at it, and it's like a whole new, journey begins. Today, 11/11/2020 is a very special day because it marks the beginning of Breakthrough Education Model, which is nothing but discovering this treasure within us. And in that sense, this entire program is going to be a treasure hunt. Okay, I don't know about all of you, but I am someone, I get bored very fast. I get restless very fast. And if it's too, anything like too much talking or too much like advising, it doesn't work for me. So that's something we are not going to do. This entire experience is going to be like a game for you. It's going to be like a treasure hunt. You're going to be an adventurer with us, going through session after session after session, trying to see what is that treasure within me that I didn't know. Hey, is this treasure really within me and I didn't know about it all along? So that's how you all are going to be, and that's the fun we're going to have together. If you want a little snippet of what we're going to be doing, I'm going to right now, in fact, take you all through a very fun experience. So, like Sridhar said, to launch the Breakthrough, book, we wanted to not do it like the normal way. We also created a song, okay, which is called the Breakthrough Song. Children, why is it that we only have the breakup song? In fact, this is what Sridhar had asked me long back. If there is a breakup song, can we not have a breakthrough song? So to celebrate breakthroughs and this incredible journey that we're going to be on together, I'm going to play this song. Now, one important thing. We're going to see everything about this journey is not going to be like usual. None of you are going to be still while listening to this song. It's not a bhajan. It's not a, prayer. It's nothing. It's your breakthrough song. It's for you to find the treasures within you. What you're going to do is, while sitting, okay, and let everything go crazy around you. I'm sure your parents are there. Everything is happening. It's okay. You will be sitting, but you will be dancing. So you will just enjoy and freak out with the song just to celebrate not the breakthrough, not this, not that, but you and the treasures that we're going to find within you. Okay, so let's get ready, and then I'm going to introduce you to some super fun people who have a lot to tell you. Are you ready? And this is our breakthrough song. Let's see how you are going to have fun with it. I'm watching. Don't think I'm not.
Yeah. It's a breakthrough.
देख इशारे आसमां से जो आए, तेरी डेस्टिनी ही बदल दे, तुझ में जो जज्बा हो। जरा तू खुद को क्यों न पहचाने, गेम पलट दे, बाजी मार ले, लोगों की बातों में न आ रहे। breakthrough से उठा के चल देखो breakthrough, कब लांटे breakthrough, वेणु नाम की breakthrough, बेकागी दे।
Yeah. Yeah. मैं उठूं सुबह से I wanna break through, तेरा potential बोले you wanna break through, हर जगह I say let's have a breakthrough, I'm 1 in a billion and it's a breakthrough. Done?
Not yet. मेहनत की पर फल न मिला, अपनी किस्मत से है गिला, चलते चलते ठोकर खा के गिर गए, फिर उठ के जब ऊपर देखा, मुट्ठी जोर से बंद किया, रास्ते के हर पत्थर को किक किया।
Bring the beat in now. Yeah. Are you feeling it? Feel the breakthrough, man. Yeah. Sing it, girl, now.
देख इशारे मंजिलों से जो आ रहे, जिंदगी की ये महफिल खुद के लिए सितारे, आसान नहीं है पर ट्राई तो कर, क्या पता जीत जाएगा तू भी, आजा बैठ लगा ले। breakthrough से उठा के चल breakthrough, कब लांटे breakthrough, वेणु नाम की breakthrough, बेकागी से breakthrough से उठा के चल breakthrough, कब लांटे breakthrough, वेणु नाम की breakthrough, बेकागी से।
It's a breakthrough.
So that is just a small beginning to how this whole journey is going to be. So any of you who thought, oh, one more period, please guys rethink. And now I'm going to introduce you all to the person who's going to be your very integral part. Tell me, can a train run behind without an engine? It can't, right? You know, we have an engine too. One is, of course, Sridhar, who you've already met through, you know, the introduction. The second one is Amar. Hi, Amar. Good to have you here. And Amar's, just a little bit on Amar, is Amar's journey as an edupreneur brought him to education segment in 2002. He's been instrumental in conceptualizing Planet Kids, which is a national award-winning premier chain of preschools. They have catered to over 30,000 children. Guys, he really has an understanding of you guys, okay? So, and his innovative ideas and creative mind has always set the bar high for everyone. Trust me, we all suffer it every day, so we know what he does. He's a dynamic person, loves to think out of the box, and has helped many, many businesses really soar. Another thing is that he's been an active member of various child development forums and also been a panel speaker at various national education forums. He's also a doting father, a quizzer, and a biker. So Amar, welcome, and please let our dear students know what is in store for them.
Thank you so much, Megha, for that lovely introduction. I feel so blessed and honored to be here today. And on behalf of the entire Breakthrough in Education team, I once again extend a hearty welcome to all you wonderful people on board. Well, again, my name is Amar, and I am the CEO of this vertical. It indeed has been an honor and my pleasure interacting with all the school correspondents, educators, parents, and even students over the last few days. The keen interest, unending enthusiasm, and the gratitude shown by all you people for this wonderful program has given us that impetus to go that 1 mile ahead. Yes, that extra mile, ladies and gentlemen, and dear students. We are here to work together to help you carve your own breakthrough journey and make you the next breakthrough star. Let me just brief you a little bit on the process of this program. The program is set over 22 sessions, which will be conducted over the next 6 months. The session will be aired on the YouTube channel of the Book of Breakthroughs every Wednesday. Yes, every Wednesday between 3 and 3:30 p.m. There is only one time slot, students. Well, unbelievable, right? With just an investment of 30 minutes of your time, well, give yourself into the program and you will know that you have not imagined what you will be at the end of the program. You will be a completely different you. Yes, for the admins of the schools, the link to the access of the session every week will be sent to the institution's breakthrough ambassador, who will in turn share the same with you, all your students, so that you can access the feed every week directly. The students, you, will need to log in at 2:55 p.m. and wait for the feed to start at 3 p.m. And students, you will have to keep a notepad and a pen at handy, and you can use this to make some important notes or points shared by the breakthrough trailblazers. Trust me, they are phenomenal people, and author Megha. And I'm sure that there will be a lot of takeaways and action points that they will share with you, which you can make a note of. Students, I want to say one thing to you guys, that the effectiveness of this program would depend completely on you. Well, they say growth is not taught, but rather caught. The program is an incredible treasure hunt, and if you enjoy every moment, you're going to discover treasures which will last you a lifetime. We already have a breakthrough tribe of over 25,000 students spanning the demography of the country, as well as a few overseas. Well, people from all over are joining in this revolution called the breakthrough, and this community will only continue to grow from strength to strength. I, Amar, shall be the single point of contact regarding this program for the school ambassadors to reach out to for any sort of assistance. We would love to hear about your enthusiastic experiences during the program, dear students. You can leave your comments here, or you can also mail us on breakthroughsineducation@gmail.com. We will leave the mail ID in the link too. In fact, we have a very, very special giveaway, a special gift to give to the most involved and the enthusiastic institution as well as student during the course of this program. We would regularly share some of the amazing stories received from you during our sessions, and even feature a few of you in our future sessions, which will surely inspire the others too. And I'm sure they will be wanting to hear from people from their own student communities too, and much more. We would send out interestingly designed self-assessment worksheets after each sessions to the breakthrough ambassador of the institution, who will in turn share it with all you students. The institutions signed in on the freemium model will get 3 complimentary worksheets to share with their students, and those signed up on the paid up module will be sent all the 22 worksheets during the course of the program. Every session, trust me, is designed very dynamically with our best-selling author Megha, the trailblazers who are icons in their fields. Well, there will be lots of stories, music, short movies, and other engagement elements to make it super interesting and exciting. So, friends, well, not just students, but I know there are a lot of educators, school correspondents who are joining on this program. So from the entire Breakthrough team, I request you all to fasten your seatbelts and get ready to join us on this roller coaster of a ride filled with fun, laughter, learning, and sharing as we script the journey of an innumerable number of breakthroughs. Let's all make breakthroughs happen for each one of us and for all of us together. Thank you. A pleasure being here with all of you today. And I request Megha to please introduce us to the trailblazer of the day. And I'm sure without any further ado, over to you, Megha.
Thank you so much, Amar. Just one thing before I move on. As you were speaking, I was like, why am I on this end? Why can't I be on that end? I want to fasten my seatbelt and get onto this journey. I mean, I didn't have it while growing up, but anyway, I guess you guys are really lucky. Yeah. Anyway, so yes, to introduce you to our first breakthrough believer of the book and the day is Kavish. Hi, Kavish. Welcome.
Happy afternoon, Megha. Happy afternoon to everyone.
So this young, charming, always smiling boy, would you believe it? He's actually grown up in a small town called Junjunu. And from there, he went on to he went on to join IIM, Lucknow. He actually got a call from 4 IIMs. The interesting thing is in his town, not even too many people knew that IIMs existed. But yes, he is an IIM alumni. I'm sure a lot of you sitting here have big dreams. I'm sure he can give you some tips later. So he did that and he's gone ahead. He's held some key positions in corporates. He actually had the courage to leave a highly paying corporate job to follow his dream and vision, which is to create a nation of readers. Okay. So, and heartfelt leaders. He'll talk a little more through the journey with you, but here's a person who always has a smile. And one thing I love about him is how he makes his notes and how he uses his intelligence. Like sometimes I actually wonder that if Einstein was watching him, he may wonder, okay, maybe I should just exchange a few notes with him. This is one person who's really got an able mind and a noble heart. Over to you, Kavish. Let the students know you a little better.
Thank you so much, Megha. I don't know how each of you are feeling out there. You can imagine how a Junjunu boy should be feeling at this moment, and who just got to know that there are not just 1, 10, 20 in a classroom. Right now, I heard the number correct. Was it 25,000 of you there? It's crazy. I don't know if Megha had told me upfront that I'm going to meet 25,000 of you this afternoon, I would have better come prepared. This is the best picture I could get with about 200 kids out there in the lawn, but I can see 25,000 of you right there. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being one of those breakthrough believers. Why I'm saying that? Because you are watching this series. I'm sure you had all the choices that every child has got, that every human being has got, but you are already one of those breakthrough believers who's been with this show for the last 20 minutes and who's going to be with this show for the next 22 editions to discover your breakthrough journey. And let me quickly share a bit about my breakthrough journey. And that's an invitation for you to come and discover more about the 10 other friends of mine who together got in the hands of this incredible author, Megha, who put our lives back to us in a way that we were reading like a stranger. Oh my God, this is me. Beautiful it is. Imagine if you could write about your life, not just what you have seen so far, but how you dream to go ahead from here. And I'm going to look forward to each of those 25,000 stories. I'm going to try and read as many of your stories through these 22 sessions. Keep sharing, keep putting your comments. And right now, before I share something, how are you all feeling right now? If you're feeling top of the world, just do this. Yes. Okay. I can see all 25,000 of you. No, 100 of you are not doing that yet. You're wondering how I'm seeing you? Come on, I'm a tech guy. I have an ed tech company also, right? For the rest 100 of you, you may be like this right now, wondering, okay, let me see. That's also okay. Every feeling is respected. Every feeling is right. Every feeling is true. And the first and foremost learning I had in my life was listen to your heart. Listen to what your heart is saying first, and have the courage to make the world listen to what your heart is saying. If you follow your heart, your head will find the ways. So while Megha talked about my intelligence, let me tell you the secret sauce. Intelligence came later. First, I heart never said, I'm going to be always a Junjunu boy. I never ever excused myself from any adventure in life. So here's a very little story. I land up in IIM. This is the first time I get into an institute where there are people from IITs, St. Stephen's, Delhi schools, Xavier's, and whatnot. And I was from Junjunu. Do I tell you this name of my school? It had 7 words in the name, right? No one would have remembered those names. But when I went there, I was super intimidated. I could not communicate the way I'm communicating to you right now. I was shivering. And the first 2 months at IIM, I went up to my director of the institute and said, are you serious that you got me here? I don't think I belong here. And that was my breakthrough moment. I said, no, now that I've come here, now that I heard my heart say that go, I will get the best out of it. My life has never seen a moment down ever after. Having made that choice, I've only seen next step and a next step and a next step. And here's my invitation to you to A, listen to your heart. If you don't feel like watching the rest of it right now, that's also okay. You can switch it off. But trust me, if you be here with us, with the 10 other mentors who are going to come with you in this journey, you are going to unravel a lot many more. The second thing I would like to leave you with a message is, all of us, when we were growing up, we never had somebody with whom we could relate to. We had two kinds of people always in our lives. One, about whom we will read about, and we will read and feel, oh, they are too far to reach, right? Or I will look at around my people. At best, if somebody will say, who's your role model? I'll say my father, my mother. They are the ones who love me. They're, of course, my role model. But I do have questions. I do have certain thoughts. I do have certain inspiration to be needed. I do have moments of low. Now, in this journey, with me, with 10 other breakthrough believers like you, we are like you. We were there just a few years ago, and we are going to unravel the breakthrough in each of you. And I'm so excited to share these tools and look forward to listening to some of my intelligence tools also. One of the things, remember, and remind me when I come and see you next, when I get the opportunity, is something like this. I'm not going to tell you what this is. We will talk about, this is the most powerful, intelligent tool I have ever created, ever used in my life. Remember this. And I'm assuming all of you are doing right now like this. This is like this, okay? We will talk about this maybe in the third, fourth, whenever Megha calls me again. Loving you all so much. You are just wonderful kids. And I'm so hopeful that we are going to have a beautiful, beautiful world ahead just because of all the 25,000 of you. Thank you once again, Megha, Sridhar, Amar, to get me here on the first day, first show. Thank you. Over to you, Megha, back.
So we're super excited, and you've already met Sridhar, you've met Amar, you've met Kavish, and I have a lot of hidden secrets that's going to come. But before that, Sridhar, you're going to conclude this session, because if I say any more, I'll let out a few more surprises.
Great, great, Megha. As I told you, all the 9,88,000 words in the English dictionary have relevance. But there are some words which become important, and there are some words which create a world for themselves. So similarly, there are so many people who were born or who continue to be born in Junjunu. But there are a few people who actually become stars. But there is one who became a breakthrough star. There are so many educational institutions in this world which have relevance, but there are a few institutions which actually have become a breakthrough institutions which have exposed you to this. And every child that is born in this world has a relevance in this world. But there are a few children who become stars. And there are a few who create a world for themselves and become a breakthrough star. And by virtue of you being here, listening to these people like Amar, Kavish, and Mega, you already are in this journey of becoming a breakthrough star. I want you to do one thing. Maybe as an exercise this week, before you meet us next week again, I want you to actually forward this link of this breakthrough song to at least one person whom you think is very important in your life. I think there is always a great pleasure in giving. There's nothing like giving something to people, right? And if you can actually forward this YouTube link, you may have to just find that YouTube link. Otherwise, Mega can actually give it in the group or something. Look for this YouTube link and forward this YouTube song, that breakthrough song, to people with a comment saying that I am a breakthrough star. There is nothing more constructive and more positive than calling yourself a breakthrough star, because you are one. I look forward to seeing each one of you very soon. Loving you all so much.